everyone. How are you all scholars? I hope you are healthy, fit and fine and enjoyed your vacations too. But now it's time to study. So I, Miss Kavita Singh, will be teaching you GK. So let's get started.
Let's start with the very first unit, My Country, My World. In this unit, we will study about our India, about our states, cities of India, cities on the river banks, Indian monuments, sobriquets galore, countries and their flags, and natural wonders. So, let's start with the very first topic, Know Your India. As you all know, we live in India. It's also important to know some facts about India. India is a huge and beautiful land full of wonders. From the Himalayas to the Indian Ocean, deserts of Thar, in the snowy mountain of Sikkim, it is a country full of beautiful landscape and beautiful people. It is a unique country with diversity. Let's do the exercise given in page number 1 of your GK book. Read after me. How much do you know about your country? India. Tick the correct answer and find out. So, we proceed with question number 1. Where in New Delhi is the Rashtrapati Bhavan situated? Answer is the Raisina Hill. Rashtrapati Bhavan is situated in Raisina Hill. So tick A. Question number 2. How many states are there in India? Yes, there are 29 states in India. So, tick answer B, 29. Question number 3. Which mountain range borders India in the north and northeast? Answer is Himalayas. So, Himalayas is the mountain range which borders India in north and northeast. Tick Himalayas. Let's move to question number 4. Which of these countries does not share a border with India? Answer is China. So tick here China. Number 5. Which of these is a group of islands in India? Here the answer is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is a group of islands in India. So tick here Lakshadweep. Question number 6. Which of these is not a union territory of India? Daman and Diu is the union territory. So here Hyderabad is not the union territory. So answer is Hyderabad. Tick Hyderabad. Next question is question number 7. Which of these is not a state of India? Answer is Chandigarh, as Chandigarh is the union territory. So Chandigarh is not a state of India. Tick Chandigarh. Question number 8. Shale is the highest cricket ground in India. Where it is situated? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. So this Shale highest cricket ground is situated in Himachal Pradesh. Tick here Himachal Pradesh. Let's move to the next topic. Open page number 2 of your GK book. In this page we will study about our states. In India, there are many states which have some specialities that make them famous. Now let us do the exercise given here, which is related to different states of India. Question number 1. This state was formed after the division of Andhra Pradesh in 2012. Answer is Telangana. So Telangana is the state which is formed after the division of Andhra Pradesh. So write here Telangana. Question number 2. Kurukshetra, where the epic battle of Mahabharata was fought, is situated in this state. So where is Kurukshetra situated? It is situated in Haryana. Write the answer Haryana. Question number 3. Marina Beach, the longest beach in India, is situated in this state. So, where Marina Beach is situated? It is situated in Tamil Nadu. Write the answer here, Tamil Nadu. Let's do question number 4. The capital city of this state is famous as Silicon Valley of India. So, here Karnataka is famous as the Silicon Valley of India. Answer is Karnataka. Question number 5. This Indian state is famous for its apples and saffron. Here, Jammu and Kashmir is famous for its apple and saffron. So, right answer Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 6. This state of India is also known as God's own country. So, the answer is Kerala. Kerala is known as God's own country. Right here, Kerala. Let's move to the next topic, cities of India. In India, there are many cities which have some specialities that makes them famous. Like, some cities are famous for its buildings and monuments, some are famous for temples, and some are famous for its achievements. Let's do the exercise given below. Write answers of the following questions in the blanks. Question number 1. Which city of Rajasthan will you visit to see the famous monument Hawa Mahal? So, here the answer is Jaipur. Hawa Mahal is situated in Jaipur. Question number 2. Which city of Karnataka will you visit to see the famous Amba Vilas Palace? Amba Vilas Palace is situated in Mysore. So here answer is Mysore. Question number 3. Which city in the Telangana state should you visit to see the Salarjung Museum? Here the answer is Hyderabad. Salarjung Museum is in Hyderabad. Moving to question number 4. Which city in Uttar Pradesh would you visit to see the world famous Taj Mahal? Yes, Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. Right here, Agra. Question number 5. Which city in Punjab is famous for the Rose Garden and Sukna Lake? Here the answer is Chandigarh. Rose Garden and Sukna Lake is found in Chandigarh. Question number 6. Name the city that is the capital of the state Jharkhand. So, Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Right here, Ranchi. Let's move to the next topic, cities on the river banks. Many cities of India is situated near the river banks. So in this page we can see a crossword given in which we have to fill up the names of the rivers on the bank of which cities given in the clues are situated. Let's read the clues across. Number 1. Delhi and Agra are situated on the bank of this river. Here the answer is Yamuna. So in the crossword number 1 we will write Yamuna. Next clue across. Number 3. Varanasi and Patna are situated on the bank of this holy river. Here the answer is Ganga. Next clue across. Number 6. Guwahati, the capital city of Assam, is situated on the bank of this river. Here the answer is Brahmaputra river. So we will write Brahmaputra in number 6. Now let's read the clues down. Question number 2. Jabalpur, a city in Madhya Pradesh, is situated on the bank of this river. The answer is Narmada river. We will write downward number 2 Narmada. Now the next clue down, number 4. Cuttack, a city in Odisha, is situated on the bank of this river. Here the answer is Mahanadi river. So we will write in number 4 downward Mahanadi. Next clue down, number 5. Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir, is situated on the bank of this river. Here the answer is Jhelum river. So we will write downward number 5. It is Jhelum. Now let's do some current affairs questions. Question number 1. Name the President of India. Answer is the President of India is Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Question number 2. Name the Prime Minister of India. Answer is the Prime Minister of India is Mr. Narendra Modi. Question number 3. Name the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh. Answer is the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Question number 4. Which disease is widespread pandemic these days? Answer is COVID-19 is widespread pandemic these days.
Now I have some homework for you. Go through the PDF given in the description box and complete the exercise given. Now it's time to end the class. I hope you enjoyed it and understood it well. We will meet soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep washing your hands. Thank you.